Does everybody know what time it is? Tool time! That's right, Bimford Tools is proud to present
Space Rogue.
That's right, it's tool time again. First, it should be noted that we regularly point to tools that are hosted on SourceForge or other repositories. Well, keep in mind that even if you trust a tool author, distributions are another matter. Remember to verify your downloads against any provided signatures, utilize antivirus software, and do your part for the community and yourself by reviewing as much of the code as you run as you can. Develop a baseline of your normal system behaviors and periodically audit against that baseline, or better yet, on an ongoing basis. Some tools to help you in these efforts include MD5 Sums, an MD5-based file hasher. Use this to generate a fingerprint you can then compare to the signature provided with the distribution. Note, of course, that any attacker who can change the file you download can also change the signature file as well. So this is something the author and distributor should be checking regularly against a write-protected baseline. Of course, it's worth noting that MD5 was defeated a year or two back now, so this whole process and toolset should be migrated to SHA soon. Tripwire is something you may have heard about from your father. I remember it, but then I'm old. For some reason, antivirus really took off, but system integrity never really caught on that well. Tripwire has survived though, and the Enterprise Edition lets you manage distributed systems file integrity centrally. Blockwatch is an emergent technology from security objectives. It can blacklist or whitelist files to provide antivirus, digital loss protection, and system integrity, making matches not only against entire files, but through percentage matches to known black or whitelisted files. Learn more at security-objectives.com. Tripwire and Blockwatch are both commercial, but Microsoft Security Essentials is free. Keep that in mind every time you click OK at that expired AV warning. Now on to a few updates for you. Whisper Systems TechSecure, WJ32's Process Hacker, Sci-Hunt's SendCat Pro, and Waraweda's Brooder for Windows have all been updated. Please note that Process Hacker and Brooder are hosted at SourceForge. Also, the Metaterpreter now has a Windows 8 UAC bypass. It is a bit different from running your traditional script. Instead of interacting with Metaterpreter and executing the commands from the Metaterpreter shell, you need to use the new UsePost modules. Details on how to use it are on Rayclick's blog at secmaniac.com. MagicTree is a penetration tester productivity tool. It is designed to allow easy and straightforward data consolidation, querying, and external command execution. Tree is because all the data is stored in a tree structure, and Magic is because it is designed to magically do the most cumbersome and boring part of penetration testing, data management and reporting. Get the jar from Grumwell today. Agnitio by David Rook is a tool to help you conduct manual security code reviews in a consistent and repeatable way. Agnitio aims to replace the ad hoc nature of manual security code review documentation, create an audit trail, and reporting. It's distributed via SourceForge, so get it, but not until SourceForge gets their together. And finally, the folks at Megapanzer are teasing us this week. We will hopefully be telling you about Ay Caramba sometime soon. That's it for this week's Tool Time. Join us next week for our salute to Tool Time.